So years ago, the entire steel industry, people viewed it as just a commodity type industry. And probably 30, 40 years ago it was, but there's been so much innovation, so much development, so much technology now that the steel industry moves at the speed of light.
Modern steelmaking requires modern problem solving.
The learning mill concept is somewhat new when we started BRS. The idea is that a lot of the other mills that have been around for 70, 100, 120 years are doing things the same way. We took a different mindset. We said we want to get all the information that is possibly available to us so that we can improve our processes, ultimately improving the quality of product and the product offerings to our customers.
Once you have your data centralized, you can create systems that then have a continuous feedback loop. That continuous feedback loop is what we're trying to get to as a learning mill, because as we run, the more data we produce, the smarter the mill gets.
The ESP is the first of its kind in North America. There's only 8 ESPs in the entire world right now. There's 2 in Italy, 5 in China, and this is the first in North America. With our ESP here right now, we can actually roll down to .030 band gauge, make coils that are high quality, make all the properties, and send them directly to other product lines where we don't have to process between these units like a cold mill or a pickle line and send directly to the solar industry and other applications.
We're actually ahead of the market.
It's a very, very impressive system with a lot of brand new technology built into it that touches every single line that we have over there. The partnership with Nippon has been fantastic. For us on the technology side, what really excites me is the amount of money that Nippon Steel invests in R&D.
We are traveling down a path that has never been blazed.
We've basically laid the groundwork for all future endeavors that this business is going to undertake. Each coil teaches the line something new. The more we run, the better we get.